When I got an honor roll, it made me think about, oh, I could go to the highest college, and one of the highest colleges I thought of was Yale. So I gotta be the best I could be to get in Yale.
I want to become a lawyer. I want to defend people that don't have justice.
I want to become a great scientist so that I can change the world.
I want to be a medical technologist to research and find and cure the cancer.
I want to show people that you don't have to be a follower, you can be a leader.
BRIC Academy is an innovative nonprofit model for public education that is running some of the toughest, lowest performing public schools in the nation.
BRIC stands for Building Responsible, Intelligent, Creative Kids. BRIC focuses on turning around chronically failing schools using proven systems displayed in traditional and charter schools.
We're not just looking at effective practices in charter schools, we really look at traditional public schools and what's working well, independent schools and what's working well, and we make those practices come to life in the traditional public school setting.
BRIC operates in Newark, New Jersey. More than 50% of our BRIC scholars live in homes that make less than $10,000 for a family of 4.
Children coming to our school have a whole host of issues, but they're centered around this notion of toxic stress. Toxic stress around housing, toxic stress around health, and toxic stress around hunger.
Last year I had a student who was at the school at 5 o'clock in the morning, and he felt safer being closer to the school outside in the dark than home. We want them to have a normal life, and I wonder sometimes what normal is. Here at BRIC, we believe a child's zip code should not determine their fate.
If we want our children to be able to compete, we have to raise the bar. If we don't raise the bar, they're not gonna make it.
BRIC's approach to turning around struggling schools is unique. Once a failing school is identified, BRIC recruits a select group of excellent, passionate educators to become our BRIC Turnaround Team. Our team trains for over a year and creates a comprehensive school plan. They then recruit a diverse and skilled staff and take over the management of the school. The staff focuses on implementing BRIC's 4 core competencies, which are team leadership, teacher empowerment, student-tailored support, and integrated community. Once this happens, everything starts to change.
What makes BRIC different is we believe in high-quality teachers. Teachers at BRIC receive coaching from exceptional teachers, people that know what it takes to be a teacher in the classroom. They're given the resources to be successful, from the technology in the classroom, smart boards, additional computers, and they also have a real voice in decision making. We empower our teachers here at BRIC.
Being a BRIC teacher, honestly, is just being part of a team. We're here to create change. Point blank and simple.
I became a teacher because I wanted to make a difference. I've always worked my tail off, but I'm working with better results now.
At BRIC, academic rigor is something that we still hold to high standards.
BRIC provides the scholars with a no excuse, high expectations, college-ready curriculum. Students receive a lot of individual instruction in academics and social emotional learning.
I would say what sets BRIC apart is that we have teams of people looking at data every day.
Looking at our data is very critical because it allows us to know what interventions we have to put in place for a child.
And it's not just about teaching and learning, though that is certainly the primary focus. It is about growing a whole child.
It's crucial to address the underlying circumstances that hinder students' learning. Our staff helps stabilize at-risk families with parent empowerment workshops and referrals to social services. BRIC works very hard to keep the community engaged in the school.
And when they give you that hug, you know that that hug means a lot more than what it looks like on the outside.
Despite the odds, our results have been tremendous.
Since its inception, BRIC has steadily increased students' test scores in both math and English every year in each of its schools. In 2014, scholars at BRIC Avon Academy achieved their highest proficiency levels yet.
There's so much more to do. In 10 to 15 years, our big vision is that all children in Newark have a quality education and the skills necessary to be ready for the global economy. BRIC schools are funded by the state dollar. However, in order for us to continue to innovate, we have to supplement our state dollars with private philanthropy.
The needle is moving, and there are clear reasons why. We want to expand and serve more children across this community, and we need your help.